So we need to complete the t-chart. It gives us, in the first situation, gives us x being 1. We got to figure out the y. And then it gives us x being 4. And we got to figure out the y. Then it flips it up and says, yo, the y is 6. Figure out the x. All right, let's start with the very first one. X is 1. This will be easy. Y equals 2 times whatever x is. Well, we said, hey, it's 1. Take away 3. Well, what's 2 times 1 is 2. Minus 3 is negative 1. So y will be negative 1. On the next one, it says, hey, figure out y for me. So we don't know y. It equals 2 times whatever they give you for x, which is 4. Take away 3. 8 minus 3 makes this 5. Now, that's pretty easy. Well, what about these where we're given the y and we got to find the x? Well, no big deal. So I start off y, which it says is 6. 6 equals 2 times the x, which we're trying to find. Take away 3. Notice in this situation involves a little bit more. We're going to have to solve this equation. So I'm going to add 3. I get 9 is equal to 2x. I divide by my 2. I get 4.5. So in this case, 4.5 or 4.5, perfectly fine. Next one gives me a y of 5. So I go to the equation. I change that y to a 5. And so 2 times x, which we're trying to figure out, take away 3. Again, I have to solve the equation. So I add 3. I get 8 equals 2x. Divide by 2. X is 4. So right here I put 4, which, hey, notice you had 4, 5, 4, 5. So yeah, it makes sense. And if we had been paying attention, we may have picked up on that. But we're just working to make sure we understand how to do it. All right, we have it y minus x equals 1. Now, so we're going to plug, we have an x being 1 to start this. So y minus our x of 1 equals 1. Well, solving this, which we have to do, I don't know why I added 2, because my brain was getting the answer. Y is 2. Okay, and it makes sense if you go back, y being 2 minus the x being 1 does equal 1. All right, the next one, it gives me x being 4. I'll do it right here. So y we don't know, minus the x of 4 equals 1. Add 4, y is 5. So I'll put 5 there. All right, let's see how that goes with, this time they give us the y. The y is 6. 6 minus x equals 1. Subtract 6, we get the opposite of x is negative 5. If the opposite of x is negative 5, that means x is 5. Now, notice we did it again. You have 4, 5. It's going to be 4, 5, but let's work it. It has the y value being 5 minus the x equaling 1. Subtract 5. I get the opposite of x is negative 4. That means x is positive 4, which is what we would put here. That happened twice. Didn't mean for it to. It just did. Okay, number 8. X is 1. So y equals x being 1 minus 3. Oh, piece of cake, negative 2. Next one, y equals x, which is 4. Take away 3, so y is 1. Now let's plug in the y being 6. 6 equals x, take away 3. Add our 3 to both sides. We get x being 9. So the order pair 9, 6. And finally, y being 5 equaling x, take away 3. Add your 3. X is 8. You got to make sure you plug in the value in the correct spot or else it can get quite tricky.